how do you edit a voice memo on the iPhone? Let me show you all the ways that we have available. And if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe and become part of the community so you that way never miss anything important. So of course, the voice memos are, it's a great app which lets you capture the audio, and there are some built-in features for editing. You can use those. You can tap on the voice recording to make it show up, and tap on the button in the bottom left corner, and this opens up the mode here, which shows you the editing features. So we can either trim the footage or the audio by cutting out some of the parts. So basically you click on the trim feature, select an area, and you can decide if that's the area that you want to keep or if this is just the part you want to delete. But that is the first way you can edit it. Then you can of course tap on the one more editing tool at the bottom right here, and you can, for example, change the speed or skip the silence. So it will cut out some empty parts, or you can enhance the recording, which will make it pop or sound a bit nicer, but it's not really giving you any more control over it. So this is how it works using the built-in method. That's fine. I know a lot of people who are happy with it, but if you need more, the way to do this is to get the recording from the app and import it into a different application, into an editor. So for example, I can click on the three dots next to my recording, click on share, and either choose one of the applications which I want to edit it with from the list in here, or I can save it to my files app. So I can just get it off the Voice Memos app, save it to the files, and then I can import it, for example, into this application, which I have the noise reducer app for audio recordings, right? I can import it in here and have some changes added there. Or another great example is the video editors, like CapCut, for example. I have also the ability to import it from the Files app into the video editor and add so many more changes and effects to that particular audio clip, right? So I have more options, but not necessarily in the Voice Memos app, but I have to get it off the app and edit it in different apps. So that's all that you really need to know about it. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you needed. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well.